Roadrunner.
Burrowing owl standing outside desert burrow, blinking in sunlight, scanning surroundings for insects, soft wind blowing sand.
Lesser kestrel flying low over desert grassland, sudden dive toward insect prey, sharp wings cutting through air, cinematic aerial tracking shot, golden hour lighting, ultra-realistic falcon motion. Desert sparrow.
Cream-colored courser. Cream-colored courser running fast across sandy desert, agile zigzag movement, insect hunting behavior.
Hubara bustard. Egyptian vulture.
Spotted sandgrouse flying in flocks over desert dunes, dramatic sky formation, wings reflecting sunlight, cinematic.